What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. I have a Samsung Galaxy. I think this is the S24, but this should be good for any Galaxy series. Honestly, it could be good for any mobile phone. If you're looking to print, documents from your cell phone, let's see. You have to have a Wi-Fi printer, of course. This happens to be a Brother DCP Wi-Fi printer. I've been using Brother printers forever. They work fantastic and for a low price. Anyway, but if you're looking to be able to print from your phone wirelessly to your Wi-Fi printer, some phones seem to do fine with no extra applications installed. They'll print right out of the phone with no issue. Mine, though, I use an app called Printer Share Mobile Print. I'll put a link down below where you can get it on your Play Store. I have no affiliation with this company, so I'm just letting you know how I do it. Now, you should install the printer, of course, or install the application, follow the instructions on it. You have to turn on your Wi-Fi up in the upper left. So make sure that is turned on. Make sure your printer is a Wi-Fi ready printer, of course. And let's just go to, let's say we want to print something, whatever it is. How about a packing slip from an eBay sale? All right, just watch the screen. Let me get out my stylus, which is another reason why I love the Galaxy phone. All right, so we're going to print this packing slip. Just follow my instructions. Now with this particular situation, I have to download the packing slip to there. Okay, look on the top right up here. Once I hit open, you can choose a variety of things, but I choose Printer Share to open the document and watch what happens. All right, the app launches. Make sure that the printer that you want has already been added to the bottom. So just follow any instructions with the app to be able to add your printer. Otherwise, it is pretty straightforward like any other print application. Then we'll hit print. You can change a few options like with most printing. Then I'll hit the print button down here. Watch what happens. There it comes. No tricks, no funny business. There is the packing slip. Bam, boom, pow. I think it works fantastic, honestly. I've been using this forever. Then you'll hit OK. So yeah, the trick though is to make sure that your printer is added. So it comes with instructions and whatnot. It has other options too, like see here's the application itself. You can print various things using this app. Pretty cool. There we go. If you want to find printers, here you go. Here's your options of what type of printer you want to look for. It's pretty easy, honestly, You print a test page, help. And there's the actual info about the app by that company. I don't recall if you had to buy any sort of license or anything. I've had this for so long I can't even remember. But if it's a couple of dollars, so be it. It works fantastic. It's a great thing. So yeah, there you go. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, working around the house, golf carts, classic cars, computer printer stuff, eBay stuff, YouTube stuff, life hacks, all kinds of things. So feel free to check out my channel. And if my video helped you out or saved your life, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. And feel free to send us a little donation. We appreciate it because doing helpful videos is priceless. And that's it. Y'all have a great day.